Hello students, let's start a new chapter, class 12, chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is solution. Okay, the word itself says that we are going to learn about a liquid in this chapter. Let's see. Okay, what are we going to study in this chapter? We'll learn types of solutions. In this chapter, we'll learn types of solutions. Then we will express its units. Units of solution where it is used up. Then we'll state and express or proves Henry's law, which is very important. Then we will study Raoult's law. Based on it, very important questions comes. We'll discuss some ideal and non-ideal solutions. We'll also have some deviation from Raoult's law. We'll study about plane 4 of colligative properties. And yes, of course, in this section, chapter this one, we'll have numericals. Most important thing. This chapter carries 7 marks for Gujarat board 12th standard. They can ask you 1 MCQ or 2 MCQ maybe from this, then 1 2-mark question and 1 4-mark question. So this is what the distribution according to blueprint, but it may be changed according to the need of R over there. Okay. So guys, what is solution? Let us understand first solution. Solution is made up of 2 things. One, solute, another one, solvent. Now what is this? Solute, if we compare the property or relativity with these two, this is in comparison it is less, and this is in comparison it is more. Let's take an example of sugar solution. When it will become sugar solution? Sugar solution is made up of 2 things, sugar plus water. Okay, so when sugar, always I said let us take 1 teaspoonful of sugar. So this is less and hence this is considered as a solute. This is water. We have taken a whole glass of water. This is more. So we will consider that as a solvent. Now, very interesting to understand this thing. Keep it in your mind. Whole chapter. We will use abbreviation capital B for solute and abbreviation capital A for solvent. Okay. So, dear students, what is this? In our normal life, we rarely come across pure substances. Most of these mixtures containing 2 or more pure substances. So the utility or importance in life depends upon the composition. For example, let's say an example of a brass. This is one of the alloy which is made up of 2 material. One is copper and one is zinc. Okay, so I can use it this quite different from German silver. German silver. Now what is this German silver? German silver is made up of 3 things. 1, 2 and 3. One is copper, one is zinc and one is nickel. These 3 elements comes together. Okay, so this is mixture. It's like the same thing. What is there? I have 1 ppm of fluoride ions in water. If the same one, what happened? It prevents, if I have 1 ppm fluoride ions in water, it stops tooth decay. 1 ppm. What is 1 ppm? We will study this ahead. Parts per million, okay, of fluoride ions. Fluoride ions. But if this increases by 0.5, then if it is increases by 0.5 only, then it will be the main cause of tooth decay. Okay, so guys, this is what that we have, and what it happens, this will become 1.5 ppm will become a poison. That is a rat poison. So think 0.5 ppm F minus 9 increases, then the toothpaste will become it's a poison for rat. So guys, this is what we have to understand. So these are just an examples of solutions. Now exactly what we are going to talk about in this, mostly we will study in this liquid will be solvent and solute will be gas or solid. Okay, so let us understand types of mixture. Solutions are of two kind, beta. Solutions are of two kind. One is homogeneous. Okay, one is homogeneous and second is heterogeneous. Now guys, homogeneous means what? No two layers, no two separate layers. Here they have layers. Example करिए तो homogeneous में salt plus water, salt plus water. आमा water plus oil. You must have seen कि oil ने water भेगू करो न लाओ, then you will see after that certain time it comes out. So we have generally talked about that the component that is present in largest quantity is called solvent, okay, and lowest quantity, low quantity is called solute. So guys, it is generally made up of two things. When a solution is made up of two components, then such solutions are called binary solutions. Such solutions are called binary solutions. Majorly, the solution is prepared in a water. If water is taken as a solvent, then such a solution is called aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. Keep it in your mind. In your laboratory, we are going to study about this, where you are going to take inorganic salt and going to dissolve that salt in a water. That is what you are preparing an aqueous solution. Okay, and if non-water or a solvent which is non-polar, water is a polar, non-polar. Like example is benzene, pyridine. Okay, non-polar shape, but if it is non-aqueous then such a solution is called non-aqueous solution, where you have this as a solvent. You have this as a solvent. Even ethanol can also be used, but it is not a non-polar, it is polar. Okay, so we can consider that as a non-aqueous solution. So two types exact solutions are homogeneous and heterogeneous. We are going to talk about homogeneous. Let us understand 9 types of solution given over here. This is very crucial and very important. It's a types of solutions which we are going to study right now are very important for you. It's a types of solution. Okay, तो पहलू solution શું છે? The first one is gaseous solutions. Guys, this is gaseous solutions. What is gaseous solutions? Let us understand this gaseous solutions. Where in the terms of gaseous solution, I'm going to make it out two ways here: solute and then solvent. It's a solute and then solvent. So what is this all? Let us understand. If I have a solvent and solute, okay, this solute is gas, okay, liquid or solid. Same way, my solvent will always be, if it is gaseous solution, then keep it in your mind, it is always gas. And here we have examples for them. These examples are very crucial for us, as it is going to give 1 mark for the question can be asked in MCQ. Fill in the blanks. Mixture of oxygen plus nitrogen, or you can say air. Okay. No doubt in air we have a different compounds also present over there. Now here chloroform. Chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. This is an example for liquid present in a gas. And then camphor in nitrogen. Camphor plus nitrogen. So these are the examples which we talk about here. It's a first gaseous solution where solute and solvent are different. Solute are gaseous solution means solvent is always gaseous, and these are the examples which we have talked about. Let's now talk about the second type of solution. It is liquid solution. It is liquid solution. So guys, अबे तो खबर पड़ी जी अपन ने कि we have to come across what is this. This must have a liquid. Okay, a liquid. Okay, and a liquid. Okay, fine. Then what is this? तो आपने पहला सू लिखी दी है, तो कि let's say with gas only. तो gas as a solute, liquid as a solute, and a solid as a solute. Oh my dear students, now what will be the examples? So the examples very clear. What's the first one? And the most simple check. O2 dissolved in water. O2 dissolved in water. Because of this, aquatic life is surviving. Liquid in liquid. एक best example आप पूछो तो हमारा माटे ethanol plus water. Okay, ethanol plus water. You can take it. This example as over there, and here you can take anything. I am taking my favorite, that is glucose plus water, and very essential, it's called glucose water. Okay, so this is what the second type of one. Actually we can say there are 9 types of solutions. Gaseous solutions contain 3, liquid solutions contain 3, then guess who is waiting for us, and the last one is called solid solutions. It's called solid solutions. Now guys, why am I talking about this all the stuff over here? Because this can be helpful for us in 1 mark and 2 mark questions. So this is the reason why am I using this term. So again, I'm going to use as a solid as my solvent. So solid will be in a higher proportion rather than liquid. So let's see what is there in the hand of mine. In the hand of mine, here it is going to be liquid, like that. Gas first, then let's say liquid first, and then let's say solid. कोई example है solid का? हाँ छे. There is an example which talks about it solid and solid. तो gas into solution, तो लिखवानो hydrogen gas, H2 gas present in palladium. Palladium ऊपरથી pass કરવામાં આવે at very high temperature, then I have this gas. Okay, then liquid and solid, it's amalgam. Liquid mercury, okay, with sodium. Solid sodium, okay, that's what Na. I'm not going to write yet over there. Oh, hold a second. It's all about sodium. Mercury plus sodium, and whenever you have as a mercury in an alloy, it is considered as an amalgam. And my dear student, the last one is what? તમે જે ઘરેણા બનાવે છે કે સોનાની અંદર કોપરનું થોડુંક એડિશન gold, and this is generally called alloy. Okay, so guys, This is the solution, types of solution. What we have started with this today, we have started with a new chapter, chapter number 2, which carries 7 marks, and these are the topics which we discuss. We are going to discuss in the chapter. So the first topic, solution and the types of solutions, we have discussed here today. Next day we will talk about all the expressions, how the unit of concentration can be expressed, that we will study. Thank you.